princess shall begin. Ready?
Get in there. I can't go in the contest. Look at my dress. Take mine. But what about you? Who am I kidding? You're the real elf princess here. Come on. Section is next. My hair's a mess. It is not. Get in there. I can't. I don't do beauty and poise. What was I thinking even entering this contest? You can't give up now. Not when you're doing so well.
Attention everyone, it is time for Prince Mo to crown the Blush Flower Princess.
Today, I was almost eaten by a giant flower. Luckily for me, I was saved by an elf girl. In saving me, she showed great skill and unselfishness with no concern for her fancy hairdo or beautiful gown. And to me, that shows real grace and true beauty that is worthy of a blush flower princess. Congratulations. Would you care to dance?
Why are you dancing with me? Shouldn't you be dancing with yourself?
Oh no, she's too busy. The rainbow blush
What are you
flower
doing?
princess has to collect
What are you
all the
doing?
rainbow blush flowers.
That
you
doesn't
got?
sound very fun. We should go help her. One for all and all for one, right? Oh, right on cue as usual. Looks like I have to go.
Do you think maybe you'll enter next year?
I'd never be able to compete with the real blush flower princess. No, you won't. But you better try. Bye, guys. That went well.
Mia! There you are! I've been looking everywhere for you. I just wanted to be on my own for a bit. Am I disturbing? No, don't worry. Oh, good. Because I have a new outfit for you. And this one definitely didn't belong to Violetta. A few alterations around the waist, but other than that, it will be perfect.
For me? Where did you get this from?
My mum and I made it a while ago. It's one of my favourites, but I want you to have it.
Are you sure? This is really pretty.
Of course.
Wow. Thanks, Paula. This is one hand-me-down I'd be proud to wear.
Have a good film. High five. High five.